Jai Hind everyone, welcome in the Defense Career Academy. I am Mr. Satish Bodke and we are going to continue our series on idioms and phrases. This is part 2 in the series and it will help you in all competitive examinations including NDA, NDA and all other competitive examinations. So here in this series we are going to learn some idioms and phrases with their meanings and examples. So here is the first example. It is in the context, so you can easily guess the meaning of this phrase in the context. And the context is Ramesh takes after his father, and idiom is takes after. Takes after का मतलब होता है resembles, to look like. You can also use this in different form of the verb take after. Okay, all the children take after their father means they look like. So this is the meaning of this question. And here is the second question of idiom and phrase. He has to abide by the hard and fast rule of the company. The idiom is the hard and fast, and it means strict rules of the company. So our answer is option B. This is question number 3, and the sentence is she goes to her mother's house off and on. The idiom is off and on. Its meaning is frequently or regularly. Often you can also call it. It does not mean rarely, occasionally or sometimes. Off and on का मतलब होता है बार बार, frequently. So she goes to her mother's house off and on. You can also use this idiom phrase in other context also. Here is the fourth example. Made no bones is the idiom, and the context is they made no bones about acknowledging their debt to his genius. Made no bones का मतलब होता है did not hesitate in doing so. Means they were confident in doing this. Means they were confident in acknowledging their debt to his genius. Means they were confident in or they were not hesitating in giving the credit to his genius. Now question number 5. It is evident from the minister's statement that the heads will roll in the secretariat. Here the idiom is the heads will roll, and its meaning is transfers will take place. Secretariat में जो है मिनिस्टर के स्टेटमेंट से ये एविडेंट होता है, ये क्लियर होता है कि सेक्रेटरीट में बहुत सारे हेड्स रोल होने वाले हैं. हेड्स विल रोल का मतलब होता है ट्रांसफर्स होने वाले हैं. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज During the last moments of his life, the criminal made a clean breast of everything. खुद का मन हल्का करना. To make a clean breast of yourself, है ना? To make a clean breast. It means मन हल्का करना. क्रिमिनल ने आपने आखिरी समय में, आखिरी क्षणों में अपने सारे गुनाहों को कबूल कर दिया. So he made a clean breast of everything he had done. जो सारे गुनाह उसने किए थे उसका कन्फेशन उसने किया. सो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन सी, कन्फेस्ड विदाउट रिजर्व. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज शी ट्राइज वेरी हार्ड टू कीप अप विथ हिज रिच नेबर्स. उसके जो नेबर्स है बहुत रिच है और वो हमेशा कोशिश करती है कि उनके जैसा रिचनेस वो उसके दिखावा में आ जाए. सो शी ट्राइज टू कॉपी हर. So and imitate is the option, which means to copy. She tries to copy her to show that she is also as rich as her neighbor. So it was question number 7. Now question number 8. He went on sowing wild oats. Sowing means बोना. जैसे एक कहावत है, बोया पेड़ बबूल का आम कहाँ से पाया. मीन्स अगर बुरा काम करोगे तो अच्छा फल कैसे मिलेगा, है ना. He went on sowing wild oats. उसने वाइल्ड ओट्स का मतलब होता है गलत काम करना यंग एज में, है ना. इररेस्पॉन्सिबल प्लेजर सीकिंग इन यंग एज. ऑप्शन सी इज द आंसर. उसने बचपन में बहुत गलत काम किए एंड दैट्स वाई ही रीप्ड सफरिंग इन हिज लेटर लाइफ. और बुढ़ापे में या एल्डर एज में या फिर एडल्ट एज में उसने उसके बहुत सारे नुकसान भुगते. सो दिस इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी एंड इट इज द आंसर. इट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द इडियम सोइंग वाइल्ड ओट्स. Last but one question in this today's session is Sam works by fits and starts. Here the idiom is fits and starts and इसका मतलब होता है कभी कभार, not regularly, not consistently, है ना. जैसे अचानक से मन आ जाए तो काम कर लेता है. जैसे आपको कहावत ये पता है कि आपको एक स्टोरी पता है what we call a tortoise and a rabbit. Okay, how does a tortoise consistently, regularly does work, and he succeeds in the race, and a tortoise and a rabbit works by fits and starts and takes rest for a long time, and it does not succeed. So irregularity in the work is the meaning of fits and starts. Sam works by fits and starts. Its answer is option B. And the last question in this today's session is, why don't you put an end to blowing your own trumpet? खुद का ट्रम्पेट बजाना, खुद का ट्रम्पेट बजाना, इसका मतलब होता है खुद की सही बताना, मीन्स हमेशा खुद की बात करते रहना. ओके, सो इट्स मीनिंग इज प्रेजिंग योर ओन एबिलिटीज एंड अचीवमेंट्स, है ना, खुद की तारीफ करते रहना, खुद की बढ़ाई मारते रहना. सो don't blow your own trumpet. Why don't you put an end to blowing your own trumpet? Its answer is option C. So that's all for now. You can also visit our website dcaurangabad.org for more details about the Defence Career Academy. Contact us at the email ID or mobile numbers. You can also follow us on various social platforms including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube and WhatsApp. That's all for now. Have a nice day.